Quick updates for the Chainlink with my customer care set. What's going on now? A lot of altcoins now, if we talk about ETFs, has zero inflow. It's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. But the link got almost unstoppable money inflow into ETF daily. So here you can see, of course, it's not like similar numbers to the BTC ETF, but take a look. This is a spot ETF, United States link inflow. Compared to the H-bar ETF, I don't want to tell you, or disappoint somebody who invests in, for example, H-bar, but there's a millions inflow into link ETF while the price almost stay at the same level, right? So they accumulate it. And take a look, the H-bar, daily net inflow, 0, 0, 0, H-bar. LTC, even worse of the picture here. It's kind of strange, right? AVAX, ETF. It's just mind-blowing. You remember the hype. Oh, the AVAX landed the new ETF, the Polkadot ETF. Zero inflow. That's why, firstly, before screaming about something crucial about ETF, just think about it and learn what is ETF. Other bullish moments, the Amazon Web Service at the Chainlink data standards. So the Chainlink partnership with the Amazon, it can be something just randomly, which not affect the price for the long run. That's why I truly believe one day the Chainlink will be one of that token which will hit the new all-time high. Just a matter of time. And my take for the Chainlink all-time high, it's just not $100 or $2,000 or random numbers. No, it's $76.48. So this is a realistic price target for the Chainlink. When? I have no idea. I don't think so, of course, this year. But 2027, 2028 is more than real to see. From current prices, it's 700% pump. It's also not that much like pump and dump a rave coin. Pump recently 5,000, 9,000% gains now. Or some like high token, just low cap token pump at 300%. So 300% from now for the Chainlink, it could be like a magic. Here, we could see the 38.61 level by FIB, sweep of the high November 2021. This one. Zone of accumulation, guys, still relevant, still the same. So we track this token, I don't know, since 2021 from the all-time high, this one. So, and by the way, I remind you that main top of the altcoins was in the spring 2021, not in autumn. Just in case if you didn't know. Because the people count totally wrong the tops. So now we tested several times the zone of accumulation. It's 816, 474. I would like to buy the link only if we drop to the $5 to 474 again. For now, I have zero interest in it because I already full with the spot position. I'm waiting to out at some altcoins at the break even. So yes, I don't want to froze the stable coins again on the spot. That's why I traded futures now only. So we tested the fundamental value of the token. Now I'm more than sure we'll go and test the buy line below, close the weekly gap. So it's 10.16. Big profit line for the link. Now it's 20.28 on weekly time frame. Daily is also, while we see the good accumulation on ETF, we just stay in the range. In range, and now it's 9.40, so take profit line is 12.5 cents. Buy line, it's 6 and 6 cents. For the amount value on the daily, it's 4.58. So this is my zone of interest for the spot. If not, I will be more than happy to skip this token, and we'll be ready, and we'll be happy for the people who buy now and ride to the moon in the next upcoming weeks or the months. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, there is no data yet for the take profit indicator. That's why we can work only with the local data. Now, 12-hour time frame, guys, what is good? Of course, the 12-hour time frame that reacts firstly. here we start curve up. Though this is what I'm waiting for on the daily time frame. So finally here, the buy line was in February 817. After that, in March, the buy line was like 593. Now buy line is 605. So I think we're gonna test the first take profit line, $12. After that, maybe even the exit line, 15.0 level, and come back in summer to test the buy line again. So it is what it is, guys. Now let's take a look now on other indicators, ADZ direction. By the way, guys, if you feel okay to accumulate a link for a long run at $9, you can buy it. For example, now here at $5. Average entry could be like 6, for example, 657. And at 15, you withdraw initial deposit, and with the free tokens, you can ride to the moon even after the 10 years or or 5 years, whatever. Now on the daily, it's around the distribution zone, but not at the top like it was here. So it's more like neutral. Neutral. Some news about the Chainlink. Chainlink is getting cheaper, and the whales are not buying the deep. It's hard for me to say it's a trap. You know, I think some momentum we will see before the Donald Trump at a CCP meeting in May 15 or 14, right? After that, the summer, I think, will be a bearish one. And also, it was a news about the marketplace, Amazon marketplace. And now it's no signal to buy or sell on direction, so it's like neutral. Weekly time frame, we're in accumulation. We never seen the similar accumulation ever before, right? So here, it was like May 2022 and compare with the current one. Accumulation also on the spot position by whales based on direction indicator since beginning of the February based on direction indicator. So I think, yes, for the spot, some smart money accumulated link. Market smooth, it's a capitulation. How it playing out before in the history, you can take a look on the screen. All right. And the last, money, power, and trade on, guys. Money in was here 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row in February. So an average was like $8 entry. Now it's $9.40. Yes, it's possible to see one more leg down. Drop like this one, 1, 2, 3, form something like this one. Stop at the 50% of the range. And to see another money inflow in this summer. Possible. That's why I'm not touching for the spot. But if you feel okay, you can accumulate it. More likely, what I think we will see, it's a fulfill 11:30, so maybe even 12, 13, 2 weeks gaps. And after that, one more leg down in the summer. This is it. Of course, I wish to see something like this one. Definitely. What I don't like now on the link, no money inflow now. So March, April, no money inflow based on money power indicator. Of course, EDF, it's totally another story. And what I don't like, we didn't see the signal take profit from the sales. Let's add alert and track it. Take profit on the weekly time frame. Trade on this one from the sales. Of course, the previous accumulation was also without a take profit signal. But this time I wish to see. Wrap this in a comment what you think about a link. If you'd like to trade as my customer request I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.